good, happy weekend. Hope you guys are happy to see my face today. So guys, look at me. I'm all set for our women program. Today we are having our first Thanksgiving women program, the provincial level. I'm a redeemed Christian Church of God member. So all the women are assembled at the provincial level. So I'm on my way and I'm going there. Maybe late, but I'll try and catch up with them. So guys, you can see my face for the very first time. Do well to smash the subscribe button, and if you are not a time subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. God bless you guys. So guys, let's go to church together. I'll share a few clips of what's going on, how my day is going, so you guys have like a few clips here and there of how Thanksgiving is over here. So I'm a little bit dazed in case you can see my face for the very first time. So guys, and the thing is, I don't even have my uniform because I'm relatively new. So I'm wearing one of the present uniform. It still goes. But the main thing is to go and serve God, right? So guys, let me take you guys for me to serve God. Hi guys. Hey guys. So I'm in church. So I got to church and he said, put on the phone is the original clothes. I need to go and change it ASAP. So we're going for a provincial program. So it's not something I can wear. So I have to go back to my time. So all for Jesus, we need to tie this uniform, so everybody are tying. So I'm not like the person. So guys, I'll take you guys along with me. Catch you later. Hey guys, good morning.
It's poo-poo. It's all.
Yes, hey guys.
Hey guys.
Good morning.
Also, it's nothing. It's there.
Hey guys, good morning. Long time no vlog. Long time no vlog, guys.
Yeah.
I know. I've not been vlogging, guys. Guys, life has been lifing. Life has been lifing, guys. Honestly, it's been lifing. Oh, bless God. God has been faithful. Mama, I'm talking. God has been faithful, guys. God has been faithful. Secondly, guys, I've been busy with my business, doing business runs. Guys, don't worry. One of these days, I'm going to film a raw vlog of how I run my business, my day-to-day activities. I'm going to, based on my business side, I'm going to film it. I hope you guys will love it, you guys will enjoy it, and you ask some more. I'm taking you guys with me to clean my small fridge. Yes, today we're cleaning the fridge, not the whole of the house today. We're cleaning the fridge, and that's all, guys, for now. And I'm about to film a shot for YouTube. So guys, You guys should watch out. Watch out for it. Stay tuned, guys.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight
Lunch
oil.
is served. Yam,
You whip up my
chicken
appetite.
stew.
Don't leave
That's
me
what I'll be
here
having for
high and
lunch
dry.
today.
Oh,
Hey guys, happy Sunday. Good afternoon, guys. I just want to do an unboxing of what I got yesterday from the market. Yesterday happens to be the last Saturday of the month, which is always box shopping day for me, either the last Saturday of the month or the last week of the month. Any of those days, I can pick any of the days from Wednesday to Saturday to do my box shopping. So I've been very busy this week because customers have been demanding for dried snails, and a lot. When you want to process dried snails, a lot of energy and time has to be put in making sure you get the best for your customer. So yesterday, I had to go and sort out few dry snails for my customers. These dry snails will be leaving for Canada in 2 days' time. So I had to do that first and sort out some of my customers before heading to the market. And I had my kids going along with me. And at the point, my phone battery got low and my phone went off, so I couldn't film when I got to the market. And my market run yesterday was chaotic. Honestly, market run yesterday was chaotic because I was just everywhere in the market, here and there. I couldn't get some things. I just rushed to another place. I had to go to Market Square. Just here and there, guys. Let's just go into unboxing where I go yesterday. We'll talk later. So, guys, I got this onion. This onion for 1.5. So I got the onion for 1.5. I got this ever. I got two of this. I can three. I got Viva. These two will last me for the whole of February. These two will last me. I still have bar soap in the house, so I didn't bother to buy any bar soap. So this will last me. So I got these two for 2.4. That's the normal price. Then cotton baby soap, Zico Sun or cotton, whichever one. Anyhow you pronounce it. I got this. Guys, I guess 1.8. I can't remember. I was just rushing yesterday. Then I got Indomie onion flavor 6,100. Then I got as I was going, I got my husband drew my attention to a place where they're selling best spread. You buy the best spread there and you sew. And I've never seen something like that. Maybe because I've not been paying attention anytime I go to the market. It's funny, right? I just go to where you was it what soja or king boju soja. I just head to where I don't try to look around to see what else I can buy. See, I really need to change. You know, my husband, I just cited this piece of me. You can actually get breastfeed here. Breastfeed is never too much in the house. Okay, so I got this 6x6 for my children. Two of them actually share one bed because they don't like to sleep alone. They like to sleep together. They're still young. So I got another one, 7x7. Yes, 7x7 breastfeed, but the man wanted to sew it and I was trying to meet up with the other appointment I had, so I left it there. I'll pick it up tomorrow when I go to the market. So I got this I don't know what I'll do with this, but I just feel like I need this. So King's oil, 3 liters. 6 for my look at my pocket. Then this lasts for more than a month. This two, 900, that's 180. Lasts for more than a month. Then there's one thing my family members they don't really like, as in we don't like, including me, beans. The last time I got half pint of beans. In fact, the beans can stay in this house up to like 4 months and would have finished half bag of rice in the space of that. Like would have finished almost a bag of rice in the space of 5 months, and this beans will still be in this house. But I'll make sure we consume this beans. So I just got 4 cups of beans this time around. So guys, I got a bucket. Just got this small bucket. I got this small golden one. Golden one. I got this 2 sticks, a roll of Milo. Then Oral B paste. A carton of this for 6,850. So 1 sec, let me just clear this with like this I got from wholesale shop. Wholesale shops at Young SM. I went to Market Square yesterday to make inquiry. Market Square is one of the biggest supermarkets in New York, where you can find literally everything you want, from foodstuff to toiletries to home appliances. Basically everything you need. Your frozen food. It's a big supermarket. Like when you say likes of, I can't compare. It's big, but it's not as big as the Keja shopping mall. What do you call this? ShopRite. But these are all ShopRite in New York. So you understand what I mean? This is like the biggest supermarket in the world where you can find literally everything you want. So I couldn't get this in the wholesale shops I used to buy. So I got this 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will last us for a long time. See the logo, Market Square. Then I got this bag. I wanted to change my daughter's salon bag for her hair cream, comb, and all of that. The last one is bad, so I want to move everything here. Nail cutter for kids, beauty tools. So the last one they had has been in the house for the longest, so I just thought it was to just change it. It's small mirror for me. I got Mama Lemon. I got one few days before yesterday, but I already opened that one. I got this yesterday. Then my kids paste. I got toothbrush. We change our toothbrush every 3 months, so we are due for the change. So I got this for me and my husband. I changed my kids' phone last month, so then I bought this Ribena. Since I was not able to go to the biscuits section yesterday because we were already late, so I just bought this one so my kids can take to school on Monday. While I go back to the market on Monday to get the things I was not able to get, then I just got a roll of this. My son's milk. I was not able to get my daughter's milk. She still has her milk, so I have to go and get it on Monday. So guys, okay, last but not least, I got this bathroom slippers for myself. Just bathroom slippers. I like it. I like it. It's high. So I got a tuber of yam. That's what we ate this afternoon. I got fresh tomatoes, 1,000 there. That's what I used to make the yam and stew and chicken. So consume that one too. Guys, that's all I got from the market yesterday. That's all, guys. I would like to end this vlog here because I started these vlogs like a week ago, babe. And I've not abandoned my YouTube family. You guys are the best. You guys support me. So see my face for the very first time. Please don't make it your last. Smash on the subscribe button. Welcome to the family. Guys, share my videos, like my videos. If there's anything you want me to be filming, content you would like to watch on my channel, please drop it down in the comment section. I'll check it out and try it out. definitely put it up there for everyone to watch, you guys to watch and enjoy. Please support this girl. Thank you so much. I see you guys again in the next vlog. Bye guys. Bye guys.